Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 14 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week last week here at Simons Middle School, and we do have several things that are upcoming this week. One thing that is coming up for this week is the turkey trot. The rules will be kind of announced and discussed with students on Monday morning, but basically the team who collects the most turkey points over the course of the week next week will receive the turkey trot trophy. This is something that's new here at Simons Middle School this year. We're going to try it. The kids usually love the P4, and this is going to be kind of similar to that. So we are excited to try something a little new and have some fun. On Monday of this week, we will have an admin team meeting at 2 o'clock. Stacy Thrasher will be joining us as a guest speaker for JAG. We also have the book fair going on this week, if you can see that on the calendar. And students will be scheduled to go to the book fair based upon their team. So on Monday, the Green Monkey team will go to the book fair. We also have a site-based meeting on Monday at 4:15. On Tuesday, Ron Quarles will be visiting Cougar Hill Farm. The Blue Barracudas will go to the book fair on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we will have a Cougars for Christ devotional from 7:15, or starting at 7:15 in the morning. That will be in our gym. We have guest speakers for JAG, Terry Ishmael and Alan Blair. They are specialists in engineering. And on Wednesday, we ask everyone to wear their ugly Christmas sweaters or their holiday sweaters. And we also have the Red Jaguars going to the book fair on that day. On Thursday, we have Next Gen Day 4. The club day schedule will be used on this day as we have a health and wellness fair ongoing. Also, Enviro Flight will be visiting Cougar Hill Farm on that day. And the Silver Snakes will visit the book fair. Friday, we have Bring It Friday. As always, the book fair will be open. Midterm grades are also due teachers this day. And 8th period JAG Career Association ceremony will take place on Friday as well. We would like to take a moment today and recognize Colby Nickerson. Colby is a student who is on our Fleming County Performance Academy. And he has done a really great job. This is his second year participating in that program, and he has been consistent. A great kid, has done a really great job of maintaining his grades. He never misses his assignments. He always logs on to Zoom, and that is what his teachers report. They report that he is very consistent, he earns all A's, and he never misses a Zoom meeting, and he works very hard. So he stays on top of his assignments. Nothing is ever late, and during his spare time, he loves to ride his hoverboard, enjoys watching YouTube videos, and cares for his peekapoo dog. He is also known as a family card shark, and he enjoys playing card games as well as board games. So congratulations, Colby. We are so proud of your accomplishments. Thank you for always bringing it. All right, our Achieve 3000 leaderboard for last week. Addison Highfield was the top scorer on Monday, Austin Robertson on Tuesday, Sophie Gorman on Wednesday, Braylon Bassford on Thursday, Ethan Taylor on Friday. On the two students who had the most activities at 75% or above for the week was Addison Highfield with 6 in grade 7 and Ethan Taylor with 12 in grade 8. And our weekly top scorer for Achieve 3000 this week was Ethan Taylor. So congratulations, students. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.